we'll see how to open a web browser, Chrome web browser, and type in google.com there, and then type search for Python and enter. So this automation process we are going to see using PyCharm and Chrome browser. For that, all we need to have is PyCharm installed on your system, and then Chrome driver installed on your system, and then you put this in this path here, copy paste here. Okay, so let us go and try to code first. So for that, first we need to have from Selenium import WebDriver. So this is the first thing we need, because this is Chrome. This relates to Chrome driver, and then from so import time, right, and then from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common import keys. Okay, this is the third line we need to import. Okay, so let us define a variable called path. In this path we are going to put where this Chrome driver is location. Okay, for that what we have to do, copy path and select absolute path here, give a quotations, and then Control V. So this is where this is located there. Okay, let's call another variable called driver equal to, so we're going to put the WebDriver in here now. WebDriver dot, we're going to use Chrome. We can use any other browser, but we can use all these browsers, but in this session we'll use Chrome, and then we're going to give the path here as a variable here. So this driver will take care of everything from now onwards. So we define two variables here now, path and driver. Okay, and then we're going to use this driver everywhere whenever we want. We want the website, so for that we use a get key method. Okay, driver dot get, what we need google.com, right? So let's go back one step. We need this, Control A, so Control A, copy, right, and put it here, Control V. This is what we need. Okay, so we get the website, we go to the website and it will open in the Chrome browser, but we need to search here, right? What we need to do, we need to search. So let's define a variable called search. Search equals to, go here, and then what you need to do is right click and inspect the element. This will open something like this, right? This will open like that. First, you select this and put it here where you want to search for. Select this and then put it here. This will highlight something. This will highlight a place where the code for the search bar is. Right click there, copy the XPath from there, and come back to your PyCharm, right? So search here, what we have to do, you need to give the driver dot we need to find the element by XPath. We are finding the elements by XPath. So give the quotations again, Control V. That's what you need to do, right? Let us see whether this is going to work. So far we run it, right click and run it and see whether this is opening the web browser, and it is going to do something here. So so far everything is good. So far everything is working, but we need to type Python there, right? For that we need to use keys here. So before that, let us wait for 3 seconds, time.sleep 3 seconds here. So, and then we have to type in the Python here, right? So for that, driver dot search dot send keys, quotations, let's put Python there. Okay, now we run and see whether it is going to, let's close this and we run and see whether this is going to open a Chrome browser, right? Then I agree, and it's going to wait for 3 seconds and type Python. But we typed Python, but we haven't searched for the, we haven't entered. If you press enter or return key, it will search, right? For that, what we have to do, we need to give search again, search dot keys, send keys dot, again give keys dot keys class. In this dot, you will get the buttons here, enter, so you select top from the bottom, and then you wait. You can, if you run it, it will automatically open the web browser. And we quickly run agree this and wait for 3 seconds, type Python and search for it. This is it. If you want to know that we have whatever we have opened, you wanted to see here, print driver dot title, so that it's going to print the driver dot title once this is complete. We can either wait for 3 seconds to complete this one, then we'll be all right. Let's run it again and see how it is happening. Opened it, let's agree this, and then it's going to wait for 3 seconds, type Python, that's it, and here it's going to type Python Google search. So this is how we do opening a web browser and then typing something and searching using Selenium browser. That's it in this session. We shall meet in the next session.